We are here at Yubenis Restaurant, Centro Dos Claveria, Cagayan. We came here to interview customers to find out the different opinions about our questions related to their experience with the dimensions of service escape. And here is the information we gathered based on the customers we interviewed.
Maaari po ba kitang interview natin? Number one question is, what are your thoughts on the lighting, sounds, cleanliness, and arrangement of the school?
It is beautiful, colorful.
Do you believe that the place layout and signage and design made your visit more convenient?
Yes.
Maaari po ba kitang interview? Number one question is, what are your thoughts on the lighting, sounds, cleanliness, and arrangement of the
It is perfect atmosphere. I think it is very convenient.
to you, ma'am. Maaari po ba kitang interview, ma'am? The number one question, ma'am, is, were the staff courteous and attentive to you, ma'am?
Yes, they were friendly, attentive, and responsive to our needs.
Thank you for your immediate response, ma'am.
Magandang gabi, ma'am. Maaari ba kitang interview po?
Yes, sure.
And meron lamang isang question na sabihin ko ba sa iyo? Do you believe that the place layout and signage and design made your visit more convenient?
Yes, I believe because based on my experience, the services is good quality. So many times we go here and the food is very delicious and the services are good and the attention of the staff is very attentive. That's
Based on their experience at the Yubenis restaurant, some common responses they provided are mostly positive feedback, comments, and answer to our questions, which only showing that the Yubenis restaurant has a captivating environment with a clean atmosphere and beautiful spaces. Furthermore, it has an aesthetic view and it's more convenient, especially with friendly staff